So here we are, we have a little update here. We cut out two pieces, rounded them off some to connect this molding on the outside with the molding on the inside. And these go up in a way so I was able to screw into them so they're really good and solid. And now I'm caulking them in to get everything tight, filling in here. Now there is a piece coming off here, so this is not going to show, but I still want it good and solid. And you can see I've started to caulk. You can't do the caulking all at once. You have to do some and then come back and do some more. In the meantime, we've added, remember these pieces here coming down off the roof? Well, the overhang, long pieces, and they were almost here, but some of them were rotted out. So we put this board on here, and we put 45s and slants on, so we get a nice, you can see a nice fit here. This is underneath, so we didn't, the main thing is I didn't want to ruin the ridge line, although from the ground you are going to see this. But that's okay, we'll paint it all the same color, so it's not going to show up as much. And we're a long ways up in the air too, so it's not going to be real obvious. Now we still have one piece here. You can see where we put these braces in and screwed them up in. So this ties all this together and ties it in with this. So although this originally wobbled, now that everything's tied in, it doesn't budge. There is like no budging to it. So it's really solid. And once we get all the joints caulked and all the screw holes caulked, and then we can prime it, it's going to look really good. So I'm going to finish off on the back side and then do some more priming. Or do some priming after I do some caulking. Sorry.